Good afternoon, Mark. This is Tim Border with J.H. Barkau & Sons in Cedarville. And here it is. This is the 1997 Oldsmobile 88 LS Sedan, dark red metallic. Just going to do a little walk around on it here for you. Headlights need a little buffing on it. There's a little spot here where the clear coat's kind of wore off. The car drives really nicely. I took it out and drove it around the block. It's in really nice shape. It's a one owner, was owned up in Wisconsin. Tires are good on it. Little door dinger there. It's not perfect, but it's not bad. And like I say, it drives beautifully. And you know about a couple of the little flaws in the paint, and I'm going to show you the other ones. Power antenna has a little spot here where it's clear coat's worn off. There's a little one up here in the middle of the hood. A couple little tree stained spots. Little ding there. Little scuff on the mirror. Only 60,500 miles. They just don't build cars like this anymore. Bench seat. I don't think anybody's ever sat in the back. Trunk. A couple of the floor mats. It's rear defrost. Unlock and lock, power driver seat, your power mirrors, locks, your headlamps, air conditioning works, AM/FM radio with a CD and a cassette, traction control, map lights. $60,500 miles. I have the owner's manual for it. Of course, the center armrest flips up out of the way. Little cubby holder up here. .3.8-liter V6, probably one of the absolute best motors General Motors ever built. It's a Series 2. Has a new battery in it. Coolant's clean. Washer fluid. Very, very nice car for an older car. So I'm going to get this emailed off to you. Please feel free to get back to me at any time. My phone number is 815-718-9288. You have all the facts and figures on the cost and then getting it shipped out to you. There is the little spot on the driver's side of the windshield too where this chrome has come loose. It's not that big a deal. You don't hear it whistling or anything when you're driving, I don't think. I don't know what it would take to fix it. I called their body shop guy, but I haven't heard back from him on it yet. So here it is. 60,500 miles, Carfax, one owner, 1997 Oldsmobile 88 LS Sedan, dark red metallic. Look forward to hearing back from you soon, Mark. Let me know what you think. Have a great afternoon. Bye, sir.